Good day everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to solve the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data. First, let's define what ungrouped data is.
Ungrouped data is the data we first gathered from an experiment or study. The data is raw, that is, it's not sorted into categories, classified, or otherwise grouped.
An ungrouped set of data is basically a list of numbers.
The mean is the most popular among the measures of central tendency for its widely used. It is also called the average of a set of n numbers. It is the sum of all numbers divided by n.
The median is the middle score for a set of data that has been arranged in order of magnitude.
The mode is a measure or value which occurs most frequently in a set of data. It is the value with the greatest frequency.
Now that we know the definition of terms that we're going to look for later on, let's proceed on how to solve the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data.
Now let's have the first example for mean. Using the formula, mean is equals to the summation of x over n. Yung upper part is yung sum of all values. That is equal to 266. While yung nasa baba naman is kung ilan lahat ng values, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So, magiging ganito na siya. 266 over 9. So, pwede pa natin siyang may divide o ma-simplify. So, magiging answer niya is 29.56 because we round off it. And that is how we get the mean of the ungrouped data.
Now let's move on to the first example for median. First, i-arrange muna natin lahat ng numbers from smallest to biggest. And after natin i-arrange, start na tayo mag-solve using the formula for median. N is kung ilan ang bilang ng values, which is 9. Then plus 1 over 2. Then after naman nun is, gagawin naman natin, pagpa-plus natin yung 9 plus 1, which is 10, then over 2. After naman nun is, pag-divide natin yung 10 over 2, which is yung answer is 5. So, yung pang 5 yung kukunin natin sa bilang ng values, which is yung 26. So, ayun na yung magiging final answer natin. And that's how we get the median for the ungrouped data.
Para sa mode, hanapin lang natin kung anong number ang madalas lumabas. Step 1. Tignan ang given. "26 ang lumabas 2 beses. Mode natin ay 26 kasi ito ang pinakamadalas lumabas.
So, we have here another example and same lang yung gagamitin natin na formula. So, yung summation of x natin is yung given numbers, which is 45 plus 45 plus 46 plus 48 plus 48 plus 50 plus 51 plus 53 plus 54 plus 55 plus 56 and lastly plus 58. over kung ilan yung total ng numbers, which is 12. So, ipag-add natin lahat ng numbers. So, pag pinag-add natin tong lahat is 609 over 12. Tapos, i-divide natin siya. So, 609 divided by 12 is 50.75. So, 50.75 is the final answer and yung mean natin for example number 2.
For our second example, kukunin naman natin yung median. First, i-arrange muna natin yung mga numbers. Since ang formula natin sa median ay n plus 1 over 2, pero dahil even yung total numbers natin which is 12, pwede natin kunin yung dalawang gitnang numbers at kukunin natin yung average nila. So yun, hahanapin lang natin yung gitna. Which is 50 and 51. After natin makuha yung dalawang gitnang numbers, ipagpa-plus naman natin sila and i-divide natin sa 2. So the answer is 101 divided by 2, which is 50.5. So the answer for our median is 50.5.
Let's try to solve naman sa mode. Sa mode naman, madali lang naman to kasi ang hanapin lang natin is yung repetitive na number or yung parehas na number. So, maghahanap tayo ng magkaparehas. May nakikita ba kayo? Meron, di ba? So, yung 45 and 48 yung magkaparehas. So, ilalagay lang dun sa sagot is 45 and 48. Tapos, may types tayo ng mode. May tatlo tayong types. First is yung bimodal. Yung bimodal naman, ito kapag dalawa yung nahanap yung na number na magkaparehas. Yung trimodal naman, ito naman yung kapag tatlo yung magkaparehas na number. Yung doon naman sa last is multimodal. Ito naman yung apat. Apat or higit pang numbers na magkaparehas. So, ano yung magiging sagot natin dun sa answer natin since dalawa lang? Di bimodal yung sagot.
Let's have another example for mean para mas maintindihan natin. Again, the formula for mean is mean is equals to the summation of x over n. Yung upper part is kung ilan lahat kapag pinag-add. So, 13 plus 18 plus 13 plus 14 16 plus 14 plus 21 plus 13 plus 13, and that would be 135 over ang n is kung ilan lahat ng values, which is 9. So kapag pinag-divide natin siya, ang magiging answer ay 15. And ito na yung answer natin.
Let's try to solve median, but first let's arrange it. Solve na natin gamit yung formula. N plus 1 over 2. Yung given naman natin, ilan yon? 9, diba? Di 9 plus 1 over 2. Di magiging 10 over 2. So, ang sagot is 5. Bibilangin lang natin yun dun sa arranged number. Di 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ang sagot sa median is 14.
And para naman makuha natin yung mode, kailangan muna natin siyang i-arrange from smallest to biggest. And kung ano yung pinakamarami na naulit, ayun na yung magiging final answer natin, which is yung 13.